Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For all you beautiful people joining me for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my travel adventures. Today, we're diving into the world of canals, bridges, and charming waterfronts. You know, those cities that make you feel like you've stepped right into a fairy tale? We're talking about the Venice of the North. Get ready to explore some seriously gorgeous cities, each with their own unique charm and history. We're counting down the top 5, so stick around to see which one takes the crown. Coming in at number 5, we have Hamburg, Germany. This city is not just another dot on the map. It's a vibrant, pulsating heart of culture and history. Now, this city is a fascinating blend of old and new. Imagine walking down a street where centuries-old architecture stands shoulder to shoulder with cutting-edge modern designs. You've got historic warehouses lining the canals, right alongside these sleek, modern buildings. It's a juxtaposition that tells the story of Hamburg's evolution over the years. It's like stepping into a time machine, but in a good way. You can almost feel the whispers of the past mingling with the buzz of the present. And speaking of warehouses, you gotta check out the Speicherstadt. This isn't just any warehouse district. It's a labyrinth of red brick buildings that exude a unique charm. It's the largest warehouse district in the world built on timber pile foundations, and it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The sheer scale and historical significance of this place are mind-blowing. Trust me, the pictures don't do it justice. You have to see it to believe it. The intricate details and the sheer magnitude are something that photos simply can't capture. It's like something out of a movie set. Walking through it, you might feel like you've been transported to another era, a place where history comes alive. And then there's the Elbphilharmonie, Hamburg's dazzling concert hall. This isn't just a place for music, it's a masterpiece of modern architecture. This architectural marvel is a sight to behold, with its wave-like glass facade reflecting the sky and the Elbe River. It's a building that captures the essence of Hamburg's innovative spirit. It's a true symbol of Hamburg's vibrant cultural scene. Whether you're a music lover or an architecture enthusiast, the Elbphilharmonie is a must visit. But Hamburg's not just about stunning buildings. The city is teeming with life, with bustling markets, trendy cafes, and a buzzing nightlife that keeps the energy high. The streets come alive at night, offering a plethora of options for entertainment. From cozy pubs to lively clubs, there's something for everyone. Take a stroll along the Elbe River, hop on a ferry for a unique perspective of the city, or explore the charming neighborhoods, each with its own distinct character. The river itself is a lifeline, offering both tranquility and adventure. And for all you foodies out there, Hamburg is a culinary paradise. The city's food scene is as diverse as its architecture, offering a smorgasbord of flavors. From fresh seafood to hearty German fare, you're in for a treat. The local cuisine is a delightful blend of traditional and contemporary dishes. Don't forget to try the Franzbrötchen, a local pastry that will satisfy your sweet tooth. This cinnamon-laced delight is a must-try for anyone with a penchant for sweets. And if you're into street food, Hamburg won't disappoint. The city is dotted with food vendors offering everything from bratwurst to international delicacies. And let's not forget the local breweries. Hamburg has a rich tradition of beer brewing, and sampling the local brews is an experience in itself. Throughout the year, Hamburg hosts a variety of festivals and events that celebrate its rich culture and history. From music festivals to food fairs, there's always something happening in this dynamic city. So whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just someone looking to soak in the vibrant atmosphere, Hamburg has something for everyone. It's a city that promises to leave you with unforgettable memories. At number 4, we have St. Petersburg, Russia. This city, often referred to as the Venice of the North, is a treasure trove of history, culture, and architectural splendor. Get ready to be wowed by imperial grandeur and breathtaking architecture. The city is a testament to the vision of Peter the Great, who founded it in 1703. This city is like a living museum, where every street and building tells a story of its illustrious past. With ornate palaces, golden domes, and intricate facades, the architectural beauty of St. Petersburg is unparalleled. And those iconic drawbridges that will leave you speechless, especially when they open at night to let ships pass through. St. Petersburg is a city that embraces its history, preserving its rich heritage while also evolving with the times. Nowhere is that more evident than in the Hermitage Museum, one of the largest and oldest museums in the world. Housed in the Winter Palace, this sprawling museum is home to over 3 million works of art, spanning various cultures and epochs. From ancient Egyptian artifacts to masterpieces by Rembrandt and Michelangelo, the Hermitage's collection is truly awe-inspiring. Trust me, you could spend days here and still not see it all. Each room offers a new discovery, a new piece of history to marvel at. Speaking of the Winter Palace, this magnificent building was once the official residence of the Russian Tsars, a symbol of their immense power and wealth. Today, it's a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a testament to the opulence and grandeur of Imperial Russia. Its lavish interiors and grand halls are a sight to behold. But St. Petersburg is not just about palaces and museums. The city has a vibrant arts and culture scene that is second to none. With world-class ballet and opera performances, the city is a haven for lovers of the performing arts. There are countless theaters, galleries, and music venues that host a variety of events, ensuring there's always something to see and do. And don't forget to explore the city's charming canals. These waterways are an integral part of St. Petersburg's charm and character. Take a boat tour to admire the architecture from a different perspective, gliding past historic buildings and under picturesque bridges, or simply stroll along the embankments and soak in the romantic atmosphere. The city's beauty is truly captivating, whether seen from the water or on foot. St. Petersburg is a city that will leave an indelible mark on your heart, with its blend of history, culture, and sheer beauty. It's a place where the past and present coexist harmoniously, offering a unique and unforgettable experience. Sliding into our number 3 spot is Stockholm, Sweden. This Scandinavian beauty is spread across 14 islands, connected by, you guessed it, bridges. It's a city that seamlessly blends its rich history with modern Scandinavian cool. One of the things I love most about Stockholm is how easy it is to explore on foot. Wander through the cobblestone streets of Gamla Stan, the city's charming old town, and you'll feel like you've stepped back in time. And speaking of history, you can't miss the Vasa Museum. This unique museum houses the remarkably well-preserved Vasa warship, which sank on its maiden voyage in 1628. It's a fascinating glimpse into Sweden's maritime history. But Stockholm is not just about the past. The city is a hub for design, fashion, and technology. Explore the trendy Södermalm district, with its independent boutiques, art galleries, and hip cafes. And for a truly unique experience, head to Fotografiska, a contemporary photography museum housed in a former customs building. With its stunning exhibitions and panoramic city views, it's a must-visit for any art lover. Coming in at number 2 is Bruges, Belgium. This city is straight out of a fairy tale with its cobblestone streets, canals lined with charming houses, and horse-drawn carriages. It's the perfect place to get lost in the romance and charm of old Europe. Bruges is a city best explored on foot. Wander aimlessly through the narrow streets, discover hidden courtyards, and admire the medieval architecture that seems frozen in time. And speaking of medieval architecture, you can't miss the Belfry of Bruges, a towering bell tower that offers stunning panoramic views of the city. Just be prepared to climb 366 steps to reach the top. Another must-see is the Markt Square, the heart of Bruges. Surrounded by colorful guild halls and bustling with cafes and restaurants, it's the perfect place to soak in the city's lively atmosphere. And while you're in Bruges, don't forget to indulge in some Belgian chocolate. From decadent truffles to creamy pralines, Bruges is a chocolate lover's paradise. And our number 1 Venice of the North is Amsterdam. This city is a true gem, offering a unique blend of old-world charm and modern-day vibrancy. This vibrant city stole my heart with its charming canals, colorful houses, and laid-back vibe. The canals, which are the lifeblood of Amsterdam, create a picturesque setting that is both romantic and lively. It's a city that effortlessly blends history, culture, and a whole lot of fun. From its historical landmarks to its modern attractions, Amsterdam offers something for everyone. Amsterdam is a city best explored by bike or by boat. The extensive network of bike paths makes it easy to navigate, while the canals offer a unique perspective of the city. Hop on a canal cruise to admire the picturesque houses lining the waterways, or rent a bike and explore the city like a local. The experience of biking through the narrow streets and over the quaint bridges is truly unforgettable. And speaking of canals, the Canal Ring is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a must-see. This area is not just a visual delight, but also a testament to the city's innovative urban planning. This network of canals, built in the 17th century, is home to over 1,500 bridges and countless houseboats, each with its own unique character. The houseboats, in particular, add a quirky charm to the cityscape. Amsterdam is also a city with a rich history, and nowhere is that more evident than in the Anne Frank House. This museum offers a deeply moving experience that transports you back to a dark chapter in human history. This poignant museum, housed in the actual building where Anne Frank and her family hid during World War II, is a powerful reminder of the horrors of the Holocaust. The artifacts and personal belongings on display provide a haunting glimpse into the past. But Amsterdam is not just about history. The city is a thriving center for art and culture, constantly evolving and pushing boundaries. The city is also a thriving center for art and culture. Visit the Rijksmuseum to admire masterpieces by Dutch masters like Rembrandt and Vermeer, or explore the vibrant street art scene in the trendy Jordaan district. The museum itself is a work of art, with its stunning architecture and beautifully curated exhibits. Visit the Rijksmuseum to admire masterpieces by Dutch masters like Rembrandt and Vermeer, or explore the vibrant street art scene in the trendy Jordaan district. The Jordaan is also home to numerous trendy art galleries, cozy cafes, and boutique shops, making it a perfect place to spend an afternoon. And when the sun sets, Amsterdam's nightlife comes alive. From cozy cafes to bustling bars and nightclubs, there's no shortage of places to unwind and enjoy the evening. The city's culinary scene is equally impressive, offering a wide range of dining options that cater to all tastes and budgets. Throughout the year, Amsterdam hosts numerous festivals and events that celebrate everything from music and film to food and culture. Street performances and open-air markets add to the city's lively atmosphere, making every visit a unique experience. And let's not forget the natural beauty that surrounds the city. A short trip from the city center will take you to the stunning tulip fields, especially breathtaking in the spring. Or, if you prefer to stay within the city, a visit to Vondelpark offers a peaceful retreat amidst nature. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or simply looking to soak in the local culture, Amsterdam has something for everyone. It's a city that invites you to explore, discover, and fall in love with its endless charm. And there you have it, our top 5 Venice of the North cities. Which one would you love to visit? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with your travel buddies. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring.